And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
And good Saturday evening, everyone. We had a very warm and breezy afternoon all around the valley, along with a mix of sun and clouds, and that warm and breezy pattern will continue for the rest of this weekend. You can see some clouds in place throughout the afternoon from time to time. We'll have partly cloudy skies for this evening, and there is a slight chance for some patchy overnight fog. Speaking of the warm temperatures, it's still warm out, especially west. 90 degrees in Rio Grande City, 85 in McAllen and Edinburgh. A little bit cooler out east, 77 Port Isabel, and 79 in Raymondville. So here's your evening plan or forecast if you're going out for tonight. No major problems early on this evening. It's going to be a little bit breezy early on tonight with temperatures in the upper 70s at 7 p.m. Partly cloudy skies stick around for tonight. We're down to 72 at 9 o'clock this evening and then 69 degrees at 11 o'clock tonight. So those winds continue from the south to southeast here in the valley, and it's been breezy, and this breezy pattern really will continue for the rest of the weekend into next week. Notice this front up north. It's not coming anywhere near the valley, sadly. So for us, that warm trend will continue for the rest of the weekend. As I said, the reason for that is we have this big upper level ridge of high pressure shown in the big blue H over northern Mexico and Texas. And as that ridge stays in our neighborhood, that means the rain chances remain on vacation and the temperatures will stay warm with highs each day in the mid, even upper 80s and lower 90s for the upper valley. The breezy weather continues for next week. Winds out of the south to southeast. We'll have one front bypass us, move off to the east. Another front also bypasses us by midweek. The winds really crank up for next Wednesday and Thursday. We may have a slight chance of a shower by Friday, but keyword is slight. And then by the end of next weekend, another front should finally enter perhaps South Texas, but it's going to take its time. And right now the models disagree on whether this front actually clears the area. So we're hoping maybe for a cool down next weekend, but don't bet on too much. It should stay warm at least through next Saturday. On the water, small craft should use caution until sunset tonight. We've got winds out of the southeast at 10 to 15 knots. The bay waters are moderate chop. Your next tide is a low tide at 1:56 in the morning on Sunday, and the seas are 2 to 4 feet. So for your Saturday night, we'll call it partly cloudy. There is a chance for some patchy late fog. Temperatures in the mid 60s, so a cool night, not terribly cold. Winds will be out of the south to southeast at 5 to 15 miles an hour. Then for tomorrow, some clouds and maybe some patchy fog in the morning, but otherwise it's mostly sunny, breezy, and very warm with highs in the upper 80s. We'll have high temperatures in the lower 90s for the upper valley, and there are your winds out of the south to southeast at 10 to 20 miles an hour. So another great day to fly that kite tomorrow. If you're outside, take it easy and drink lots and lots of water. For the first day of spring, no surprise here, upper 80s for Monday. It's breezy, it's warm with a high temperature of 88 degrees. Mostly sunny skies continue really through the first half of next week. Then the winds really crank up for Wednesday and Thursday. High temperatures close to 90 on Wednesday, upper 80s on Thursday. Morning lows don't change all that much. They stay cool in the mid 60s for next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We may have a slight chance of a shower by Friday, and we'll see if that front finally arrives here by next weekend. At this point, we're calling for high temperatures in the mid 80s Friday and upper 80s on Saturday. We'll hope that the front passes through by next Saturday night, cooling things off just a bit, but I wouldn't count on it at this point. Morning lows in the mid 60s for next Saturday. That's your First Warn 5 forecast. Now here's Brandon with a look at sports.